At Master of All Trades, we transform raw chemistry into solutions that power your world.
Our expertise creates versatile, innovative products for everyday progress.
From the water you drink to the car you drive, and even the glow of your skin, science is everywhere. As The Alchemist, we don't just mix ingredients, we engineer performance. Our mission is to create formulations that bridge the gap between lab-tested and life-proven. Here is what's brewing in our lab. This process transforms raw ingredients into powerful, real-world solutions. High-performance skincare and hair care that respects biology. Science-led formulas that work in harmony with elevating your regular routine with visible, lasting results. Home care, cleaning solutions that are tough on dirt but safe for your family. Tough on dirt, safe for your family. Auto care, professional-grade coatings and polishes for that showroom finish. Whether you are a brand looking for the next hero product or a curious mind interested in the science of transformation, you're in the right place.
Welcome to the lab. Welcome to The Alchemist, where science meets innovation for skincare, car care, and home cleaning.